the picturesque landscape of meandering cattle and frolicking children. The women shy away, hiding behind curtains to steal glances at outsiders. Natural beauty, peaceful atmosphere, and simple but traditional lifestyle of villages always attract outsiders to have a look into the life of villagers. This is Khara Beraza, a quaint little village of about 100 households in Jamnagar district. It sounds like the particular village is no different from what scores of any other prosperous villages in India are. Dotted with pakka artistically built houses, well furnished with television complete with dish antennas, this village did not portray extreme poverty in any sense, and where keeping vehicle and traversing the distance through cycle and bike is indispensable. But what surprises the inquisitive eye is the conspicuous absence of toilets in an otherwise prosperous and well-connected village. The factor contributing towards absence of toilets in the village is the apparent lack of knowledge, information, or understanding of the health and hygiene repercussions of the current state of affairs. The villagers, being minimally educated or even illiterate, lack the basic understanding of the health benefits derived from a better sanitary infrastructure. It may also be because of A. In Indian tradition, toilets are seen as unclean and unhygienic environments. B. These villagers seem to be suffering from a cultural block arising out of habitual restriction. C. One of the infrastructural inhibition is the availability of water. D. The male member of the family is seen as the primary economic provider of the household.
પેલા અમારા ગામમાં શૌચાલય નહોતા તો એમને ગુઠણ અમારા ગારામાં કે વરસાદમાં અમને બહુ તકલીફ થતી હતી. જાણ અમારા તો સાયકલ લઈને કે ગમે ત્યાં જઈ આવતા હતા. સવારમાં વહેલી બાયો વહેલી જઈ શકે, દિવસમાં ક્યારેય ન જઈ શકે. સવારમાં અંધારાના ટાઈમે જાય, આખો દાડો ન જઈ શકે. ખુલ્લા પટમાં કેવી રીતના બેવું કા સાંજના જાય અને 1 કલાક કે અડધો કલાક ખોટી થાય. રાતે જાય તો મોડું જવું પડે.
અમારે પેલે બેનું દીકરીઓને અમારે બહુ તકલીફ હતી વરસાદ પાણીની. પછી અમારે સવારે વહેલું અંધારામાં જવું પડતું કારણ કે રસ્તાના કાંઠા હતા બેસવાની. પુરુષો નીકળે તો અમારે ઊભું થઈ જવું પડે. આવી બધી અમારે મુશ્કેલી હતી.
As one of the initiatives being implemented under the aegis of the Integrated Coastal Zone Management Project, funds have been allocated to every village for undertaking any one activity that has the potential for contributing towards the socio-economic upliftment of the village inhabitants.
સંકલિત દરિયાકાંઠા વિસ્તાર વ્યવસ્થાપન યોજનાના ઘણા બધા હેતુઓ છે, પરંતુ એનો મૂળભૂત હેતુ જો જોવા જઈએ તો કચ્છના અખાતમાં જે અસંખ્ય દરિયાઈ જીવો આવેલા છે એ દરિયાઈ સૃષ્ટિને બચાવવા માટે ત્યાં જળ પ્રદૂષણની જે અત્યારે માત્રા છે એમાં સારો એવો ઘટાડો કરવાની અત્યંત આવશ્યકતા છે.
In Khara Beraza, village sanitation was taken as an entry point activity.
In Khara Beraza, there was no toilet at all. And the ladies used to find it very difficult to go in for open defecation during the day hour, during the night hour, in the monsoon. Even the young boys have to go a long distance in the morning on cycles. And so they were losing their productive hours over this small thing. And it never figured out as a priority item in the developmental, program of the village. Yes. Though there are a rural development program, the total sanitation campaign, but the money provided for this unit, toilet units, are very small there.
To arrive at a list of potential activities, a comprehensive need gap analysis is done with the participation of the villagers. The activities include door-to-door survey, secondary data collection, and village profile, Gram Sabha, etc. Some of the important steps taken during this process were A. Community mobilization activities to make them understand the purpose of the project. B. Collection of the primary data of village. C. Design the project implementation management like formation of eco-development committees. SHG for women participation. Internal audit committee and social evaluation committee for transparency implementation of project.
गाँव के लोगों का जो दुष्प्रभाव इस मरीन इकोसिस्टम पर ना पड़े या ओछा हो, जिससे कि मरीन जीव सृष्टि, दरियाई जीव सृष्टि का लंबे समय तक उसका संरक्षण किया जा सके.
Individual bank accounts for all the 79 households were opened, and the money was distributed amongst the villagers through checks in a phased manner.
इस एक्टिविटी के तहत हमने जो गरीबी रेखा के नीचे भाई थे उनके लिए 11,000 रुपये पर हाउस होल्ड दिया गया, और जो गरीबी रेखा से ऊपर थे उनको 9,900 रुपया पर हाउस होल्ड इसमें सहायता दी गई.
The salient feature of the scheme are financial contribution, GEC, MNP, DRDA, Khara Beraza. Number of families 79, BPL 16, APL 63, 100% sanitation achieved. Unit cost of a toilet 22,000 rupees. ICZM contribution through GEC. Payment for BPL 11,000 per unit. That is 1,76,000. APL 9,900 per unit. That is 6,23,700. Total cost 7,99,700 rupees.
ખારા બેરાજર ગામમાં દરેક ટોયલેટ બ્લોકના જે ખાળ કૂવા જે છે એને 3 વિભાગમાં અમે વિભાજિત કરેલા છે, અને પરિણામે જે કોઈ ઘન કચરાનો નિકાલ થાય છે એ ત્યાંને ત્યાં એનું વિઘટન થઈ અને દરિયામાં જતો રોકાય છે. આપણો જે હેતુ છે કે દરિયાઈ પ્રાણી સૃષ્ટિને બચાવી એને આપણે સર કરી શકાય.
The need gaps are thus identified by conducting a participatory rural appraisal of the village. Participatory rural appraisal is an exercise that entails participation of the villagers in drawing comprehensive resource, infrastructural and geographic maps which help in establishing the current position of the village and identifying the inherent strengths and weaknesses of the village. Organizing a PRA meeting in village and informing people about PRA meeting, certain points were figured out. Sanitation, village pond renovation, solar lights, Anganwadi, emplacement generation, village road. Out of these points, sanitation was considered as the priority. The field workers representing Marine National Park and Sanctuary and Gujarat Ecology Commission played a very important role in reducing the differences of choice between the two genders. Their role was to bridge the gap that existed in the choices made by the two genders.
The Gujarat Ecology Commission and the officers from the Marine National Park had jointly selected this village, mainly because of the fact there was no sense of community hygiene, and these people completely camped in these villages, mobilized these women, gave them a sense of confidence, made them empowered to take decisions, formed a committee called Eco Development Committee, and tried to say that their health and safety and hygiene is related with this habit. And though they were possessing motorbikes and some people were having television sets in their home, that was not enough. What was more important was to have a healthy living so that they could exist and save the Gulf of Kutch from the dirty waters they were all releasing throughout all these years till today.
People's active participation, effective and continuous dedication has socially transformed Khara Beraza into a self-sufficient and respectable village. It is a roaring success story and the role model of the successful sanitation work.
2009ની સાલમાં એવું હતું કે તમે અહીંયાથી જાઓ ને તો તમને અહીંયાથી પસાર થવું ગમતું નહીં. અત્યારે એ જ જગ્યા છે, તમે અહીંયા કદાચ બેસી જાઓ ને તોય તમને ગમે. અત્યારે અમારા ગામમાં એટલી સ્વચ્છતા આવી ગઈ શૌચાલયના લીધે.
આ 2 ઇકો કોલેજ ને મરીન નેશનલ પાર્ક આવી અને અમારા ગામની અંદર સારામાં સારી અમને સુવિધા આપી અને એનો હું આભાર માનું છું.
Now the whole village has, all the houses have the toilet, and it's a unique experience. Everybody is happy. If you go to that village, everybody will talk about the success and the comfort that they have started.
All in all, this success story has been an enthusiastic celebration of the exemplary initiative implemented by Gujarat Ecology Commission and Marine National Park and Sanctuary at Khara Beraza village, and the fruit it will bear for many years to come.